Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to MD Arman Computer Institute. I am your Microsoft Office teacher. My name is Taher Mahmud and I live in United Arab Emirates. My vision is to help 1 million people every month. I make videos on Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Access and Aconex Data Analytics. All this software we upload shortcut keys also, from beginning to advanced. Please help people to watch all videos by like, share and subscribe. I use Excel 365 and latest version of MS Office in my videos. Today I will show you how to make a simple letter for request for salary increment. Let's start a open document, new page. Blank sheet. Okay, first mention here date, January 23. Then first you have to make date, then you will send to whom, address to whom. So make to, for example, this letter I will send to MD Arman Computer Institute. Computer Institute. Then make subject request for salary increment. Okay. Dear sir, it has been a pleasure working with our estimate company since 2009. I decided to write this letter to request for my salary increment. I have been loyal, hard working and dedicated to our company since my joining. I believe myself have proven my abilities during this period, and you are convinced with my performance. Okay, one paragraph finished. I will make also second paragraph. However, despite the general appreciation of my work, I am getting an average salary of AED, meaning because I am living here in UAE, so that's why it is I put AED, yani dirham. Okay, if you are living in Bangladesh, you have to put taka, and also yani that is different of your country where you are living. Okay, then for example I will put here 5,000. Okay, including all allowance, which is very less, as my job responsibility grows. Okay, so I am requesting to increase my salary and kindly request to make my monthly salary AED 7,000. The reason that I ask for a raise of my salary is that my current payment is too low for covering the expenses of my family as recently. So I don't want to show other paragraph. I'm so sorry. So actually when you make letter, it should be like this. First you have to make date, okay, then address to whom, then subject, then dear sir or dear Mr. accept to you, okay. So you have to make like this letter. So here little bit make it bold and little bit big font size, and also subject underline bold and little bit big, okay. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching.